Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to create avatar on the Instagram. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly open the Instagram application. So after this you can see profile at the bottom right corner. Then click on three lines on the top right corner. After this, click on Account Center and then click on Profile and then select Instagram. After this, click on Avatar. So here you can see here select any color. So after this, click on Next. So here you can select your hairstyle. So after selecting hairstyle, click on Next and then you can see hair color option. So select your hair color. So after selecting hair color, click on Next. And after this you can select your body and then again click on Next. And after this select your outfit. So after selecting the outfit, click on Done options. So then you can see avatar is created. Then click on Next. So guys, in this way you can create avatar on the Instagram. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.